What's going on, guys? So I finally received my Revo-A suspension. Let's hope this is gonna make my ride way smoother. Okay, so let's start with the installation. Okay, so I have to use a spacer from Legends. Big one behind it, small one, OEM washer, OEM bolt. Alright, that's pretty easy. So I got washer, small spacer, then big spacer. Okay, a little bit of Loctite. That looks pretty good. Alright, so let's torque it down. I think it's recommended to torque it anywhere between 40 and 50 pounds of torque. And I'm gonna set it to 45. These are 13-inch. They're supposed to have a sag of 1 inch. The setting over here, the rebound set right in the middle, goes from 1 to 6. So I think we have to take it for a spin. Let's do it. Yeah, I gotta say it feels pretty smooth. Yeah, I don't feel any bumps anymore. But the real test is gonna be with my girlfriend on the back, because the way it's set up right now, it's for me and passenger. And in a couple days, we're going to tail up the Dragon. So for sure, we're gonna test it out over there, big time. Nice, pretty easy installation. I'm not sure if the gull was a perfect choice, but I kind of liked it. Let's see. Just a little bit over here of gold. Very badass.